Hey, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to contact Facebook support the easiest way. If you want to know how to chat with Facebook live support for any issues you might have, then watch on. The first thing is to make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Once logged in, click on Meta Business Suite. You will now be redirected to Facebook Business Manager. Scroll down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the Help tab. Click Help again. A mini page will open up on the right side of the Meta Suite. You will see a couple of recommendations, but what we want is to chat with Facebook Live Support. So come down and click Contact Support. If this way doesn't work, then follow this alternative method. Write the URL provided in the description box in the search bar and hit Enter. Messenger will open, and here you can chat with the Facebook support team. It is verified, and you can share your problems there. If you found value from this video, please support me with a like. It helps YouTube push this video to more people who need this information. If you want to enjoy more easy tips like these, then subscribe and turn on the alert bell so you get notified when I release more videos like these. Thank you.